Ms. Rademacher, the Aspen Institute recently found that 40% of Americans reported they would struggle to afford a $400 unexpected emergency, and 1 in 4 families now say they have no emergency savings at all. We can improve financial resiliency by helping Americans save for those emergency expenses, and it would also, of course, bolster retirement security because people could tap designated emergency savings accounts rather than take from their retirement accounts and put their future financial security at risk. How can emergency savings accounts help keep one's retirement accounts intact?
Thank you, Senator. It's a great question. And there has been a number of organizations really doing some deep research, listening and learning about the role of emergency savings in short and long-term financial stability. We certainly know from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, when they look at the drivers of financial well-being long-term, liquid savings has the highest explanatory value of any other facet that they looked at in terms of that. So it goes to consider that when we're talking about expanding access to retirement savings and we want that experience to be successful for individuals, that the concurrent ability to save for emergencies and create that liquid savings is important. We recently published principles for design of emergency savings, and one of the things that's important for this committee is that there are a couple of examples now of within-plan emergency savings. It's important for behavioral in terms of behavioral psychology, to have a specific bucket that is deemed for emergency savings that is separate than your retirement savings, but they can work together, and then ERISA could provide guidance to do this kind of co-location of accounts, sidecar accounts, if you will. It is true that the emergency savings needs of households is that statistic you provided from the Survey of Consumer Finances from the Federal Reserve is true about the lack of emergency savings. And also, as we look at post-pandemic and the experience we had looking at the CTC and the payments, as those have gone away, liquid savings becomes even more important, and facilitating that savings automatically, like we do with retirement savings. There's a lot of research around the opportunity for that, both here in the U.S., but also in the U.K., where there's pilots underway to look at automatic enrollment into emergency savings within retirement plans.